Hi. So did you find your hat drawer? Your hat? I know. I think it's too small. Is the problem? Yeah. Did you find your waving glove? Is that your waving glove? What do you do with that glove? Say hi?
Hi.
No?
Ooh.
Are you just going to take a little snooze right here? This is a good idea. Hey, what does a monkey say? What does a horse say? What does a sheep say? What does a cow say? What does a cat say? What? Yeah, what does a cat say?
Meow.
You're funny. Whoa. You say, love you. You're awful. I can't go back any further. I can't do it. You say bye-bye. Miss Belle. Love you.